just want to welcome all our visitors from abroad and also our ministers locally, our MECs, our mayors, our ambassadors who are with us here in Durban. And I'm saying to them, they must enjoy our city. It is warm, and the community of Durban is having the spirit of Ubuntu, even if it's raining, but they can feel that. In fact, today is the day. I'm very much excited. I'm very happy. President is around, and he has spoken with the minister. And what makes me more happy is the announcement that says that tourism in Indaba is coming back to Durban, the warmest city to be. For 5 years, tourism in Indaba is going to be here in Durban. What is amazing, on our side as a city, we are having plans to expand ICC because our ICC is becoming smaller and smaller because of the events that we are hosting and the activities that are taking place. And for me as the mayor, it's really grateful because we are going to be boosting our economy, because if ICC is always packed and operating, that brings economy within the country, of which as a city we do contribute in the provincial government and also in the national government. And I want to tell you the excitement that I have. We are having a turnaround strategy where we want our township economy to grow. We have seen what we have done because we said we are going to be having inclusive, radical economic transformation. And for me as a mayor, as a driver of that within the city, I'm very much excited. Today, by the time the president announced and by the time the minister said, you must wait for the president, and I'm very happy. Hence, our city is really going to be booming for the incoming 5 years.